How to change cell size in Microsoft Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your device. Go to Home and then click on Format. Click on Row Height. Simply type in the height you want and press on OK. After you've done that, your row height will be changed. Now, if you want to select width, click on Format and click on Column Width. Type in number you want and then press on OK. After you have done that, cell size will be changed. And this is how to change cell size in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.